Are you getting messages on your iPhone but not on your Apple Watch? This usually happens due to sync problems, notification settings, or connectivity issues between the devices. But don't be panicked. Folks, in this video, I'll show you how to solve the issue where messages come to your iPhone but not your Apple Watch. Before doing anything else, make sure to connect your Apple Watch with your iPhone through Bluetooth. Make sure to turn off Do Not Disturb mode on your Apple Watch, and also make sure to turn off airplane mode. If you're still facing the same issue, then follow these solutions. Solution 1. Change Apple Watch notification settings. Open up the Settings app on your Apple Watch. Tap Notifications. Scroll down. Make sure to enable Notifications indicator. And then scroll down again. And again, make sure to enable Show Summary when locked as well. Solution 2. Turn on Notification on iPhone. Grab your iPhone, open the Watch app, tap Notifications, scroll down, tap on the Message app. Here, make sure to select Mirror My iPhone. Solution 3. Allow notifications on iPhone. Open up the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on Notifications, scroll down again, find the Message app, tap on it. Now simply toggle on the Allow Notifications option. Solution 4. Reset Sync Data. Grab your iPhone, open the Watch app, now tap on General. Then scroll down to the bottom. Tap Reset. Now simply tap on Reset Sync Data. Hope your issue is solved now. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech tips and solutions. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time.